I feel it's the first time I'm filming and my window is wide open, so I'm a little... What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing the BoxyCharm unboxing and try-on. If you guys are excited to get into this video and you're enjoying it while you're watching, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out tremendously. But first, if you are new here, my name is Jessie and I upload makeup unboxing videos and some vlog style type content. So if that's something that you're interested in, or if you want to know about all these advent calendars, I got like 12 unboxings of advent calendars coming. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my other uploads. Before we get into the unboxing part of this video is actually brought to you by Sweest. No matter what type of cook you are, Sweest is dedicated to creating the most useful products that'll be a staple in your kitchen. Sweest dinnerware is made of high quality porcelain. Their porcelain ware is resistant to chips and stains. Plus, it's free of chemicals, which makes it a healthier option than other forms of cookware. Sweet's mission is a serious cook will need a product that is built to last, and not just anything will do the work needed to suit the meals you'll prepare with. It's all about durability and efficiency. They are lead-free, oven-safe, microwavable safe, and dishwasher safe, and made with durable porcelain. This one's my favorite. Gorgeous, vibrant yellow. And this baby blue. Excited to use this one in the spring. We only need like 2 bowls out, so. I absolutely love these porcelain bowls. They are a multicolored set of 6. They have different options for their colors. Like they have a light set like right here, or just a white set right here, or the one that I got, which is like this multicolored set. I did want to get the marble bowls because there's a candle on here. But I absolutely love marble, but when I went to go pick those, they unfortunately were sold out. No lie, chose this one specifically for the orange bowl, and Kevin kind of stole it. It's a little bit wet still because he used it this morning. Like I said, I absolutely love the design on it and how it just kind of curves up. Ooh, you even like their bowls too, huh? Yeah. It's like the perfect shape. You don't spill any milk. It's not impossible. Not gonna say that. But it is relatively hard to kind of spill something if you're just kind of carrying it. Then again, who's just carrying? You know. So they're oven safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and lead free. And they are also made from durable porcelain. If you guys would like to try out any of yourself, I don't have a discount or an affiliate or anything. I just got them off of Amazon. Although if you do use my little Amazon shop, I get commission off of that, but you can go ahead and check them out. They have so many different products. They have like butter dishes, plates, platters, just you name it, anything for your kitchen. Thank you so much to Sweetie for partnering with me on this video. Now let's get into the BoxyCharm unboxing for October 2021. Not sure why I said it that way. And let's dive on into the October BoxyCharm. This month's theme is Spellbound, which is perfect for October. I need a pumpkin. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so this month's theme is Spellbound, and I did get the variation C211001/BA. It's actually dash, but we are going to be trying on everything in here. Ooh. No! I'm gonna pull these out. But we shall be trying on some CAMARA Untitled. Oh. So this is from CAMARA AUNIQUE. So we will be trying out some lashes today. I can't honestly, so if you're looking for lash advice, focus. Like the balance, the white, there we go, back. Not the best at doing it, but we're gonna just take a shot in the dark. This is the most natural lash in this collection, and it is perfect for the women who want to keep it real with her beauty. It's a soft and light whisper lash that looks perfect on all shapes. The first thing in here that I can actually try on at this very moment, this is the Tarte Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream. Huh? So it's got just a it's not really fragrance. Like, it just smells like a cream. It's 24 hours hydration. It's got peptides, caffeine, ooh, marine plant collagen, dermatologist tested in algae. I think certain ones actually do stuff, and other ones are just kind of like a gimmick. Like, they don't really do anything, and you're just a waste of your money. Hopefully, Tarte, you live up to the claims that you say, and you know, so far it was pretty enjoyable. It was a little cooling. I don't know if that was supposed to be any part of it, but definitely pleasant. That was very pleasant to put on my eyes. Alright, next in here, this is from BEAUTE. Falling for You. Oh, Falling for You. How cute. I wonder, you must be an eyeshadow palette. So it is very fall themed. Got some pretty browns in there, a couple of spices of colors. There was a name, it was called Spice. So I'm not quite sure if I've ever used an BEAUTE eyeshadow palette. I've definitely used other like face products, and they are pretty enjoyable. So excited to give this a try. It says the Falling for You palette represents some of your most favorite things about fall season. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. But let's just go through everything else, and then we're just gonna do a little try-on part, because actually everything else in here is makeup, which thank you so much, BoxyCharm, for only giving me one skincare, and I think I actually chose that because I wanted to try it. Next in here, this is from Appeal. It is the Adhesive Liquid Liner. Oh, it is. So, Kevin's home. So this is basically kind of like a glue. It's a liquid liner glue, so look at that. Fantastic. That's awesome. And then lastly in here, this is from HANALEI. It's a matte bronzer. I think this bronzer is going to work pretty nicely on my skin tone. And since I'm not, oh, it might make me orange. Glow like a Hawaiian goddess with a cruelty-free natural matte bronzer. This long-wearing powder gives you that sun-kissed look fresh from a day at the beach. This unique formula applies smoothly. Apply with a brush to define cheekbones and enhance your natural beauty. Before we jump into the try-on part, let's do a quick little price thing. The Tarte Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream. So the Tarte Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream is $35. The BEAUTE Falling for You palette is $34.99, and it is a new launch. The HANALEI matte bronzer is $25, and it's new brand to BoxyCharm. The CAMARA AUNIQUE Beauty Mary Lashes, or Lash, it is $25, and this is another new brand that is to BoxyCharm. The Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Lash Liquid Liner, it is $29. This is the newest and most innovative way to apply your false lashes. Step aside tubes of glue. This ultra-fine liner is easy to apply and a hot way to spice up an eye look. L-E-W-K. He was walking up.
Yeah,
mocking me.
And Mom just got embarrassed.
So for my eye look, first I took the shade Squash and I put that all over my lid, and then as a transition color I used the shade Autumn and I put that kind of sort of basically all over my lid as well. And then to deepen that crease I used the shade Pinecone. And then on the center of the lid I put first down the shade Spice. And then on top of that, the shade Cider, which then it gave it kind of like its own duochrome. A little bit of Autumn on the lower lash line. And then in the inner corner of the eye, I put the shade Apple. And then on top of that, because I wanted it a little bit more, like more icy, more brighter, I just used the highlighter glaze Donut. You can really use any type of like icy highlighter that you do have, you know, already. Well, here quickly you can see me put on some of the eyelash liner glue and not really any of the false lashes because I don't know how to stay in camera. I don't know what happened in this video. I didn't execute it the way I planned. I did forget about our bronzer, so my face is not bronzed, so we can do that really quick. These eyelashes are not comfortable. Then again, I'm not used to wearing eyelashes, so, and also my forehead. I've been fighting, I don't know, foundation today, and I also don't know if I put it on too soon, like my foundation and concealer and all that, because underneath my eyes, I don't even want to zoom you in, so I don't know if it's necessarily because of this or what happened, but I mean, do you see? I don't even know. And then like my forehead, we're not gonna do that. That's literally right now just but right here and here, like my whole underneath the eyes, it's just all crepey and cracky, and maybe next time I will let it soak into my skin a little bit more, you know, like a little bit longer. I don't know why I smelled it, but maybe because I've been using the chocolate bronzer from Too Faced, and it smells like chocolate. You know, because Kevin came home, I didn't give you guys a retail value. Alright, so for my October 2021 BoxyCharm box, my retail value was $148.99. For a $25 monthly subscription box, it's a pretty decent value. However, are you gonna get used out of all the items? So far, I'm liking pretty much everything except, not that I don't like the eye cream, I just don't know what fully happened. It could have been just, you know, me, human error, like didn't wait long enough for it to actually do its thing, and then I put makeup on top of it, and then we got an issue. So, you know, yeah. The eyeshadow palette, I mean, I don't ever have too much issue with eyeshadow palettes. I did have an issue with the Tarte, like Star Chaser or something. I don't know. I did do a video on that. I didn't like that one. That one was not easily blendable or anything. But this little Ace Beauté eyeshadow palette with all these are cool tones, right? Alexa, what are warm tones?
Warm tones is a form of the noun warm tone, which is usually defined as a yellow, brown, olive, or reddish tinge in a black and white print.
It's a warm tone palette. Absolutely 100%. I love it. It is a nice fall warm tone palette. It's got some really pretty pops of like color. Like this orange is absolutely pretty. I will give that a swatch for you. I didn't swatch this candy corn, so wow. There's that orange. There is that candy corn. That is a very pigmented, it's like almost a neon red. I don't know if my camera's actually picking it up, but I didn't swatch any of these, to be completely honest. That's a nice purple. And then chestnut, I was going to use this, yeah. It's got a purple hue to it, so it's a nice warm tone palette. For the, what was it, like 35 bucks? The relatively priced eyeshadow palette. It's nothing compared to like e.l.f. or anything. However, like I said, oh, you're gonna stain? Maybe. The thing I don't particularly like about this box is the eyelashes. They're getting a little bit more comfortable, and I think that, like I said, I don't know if I actually did say this or if I was kind of talking to myself. I do that a lot. But if I'm just not used to the actual eyelashes, because I don't wear false lashes. They are not my thing. I would rather just put on a little bit extra like mascara, like the Essence false lashes, the blue one, you know, or even that Milk Makeup Kush mascara. That one is really, really nice. I just use the Tarte, I'm using a lot of Tarte, the Surf Curl, just because that was easily accessible. The HANALEI, I don't know, the HANALEI, I'm just gonna go with HANALEI. The bronzer, I liked it. I think it fit relatively well with my skin tone. Hopefully, maybe they have different shades for different skin tones, because this one's not going to work for everybody. I was actually a little scared it's going to pull a little bit orange on me. I don't think it does. yeah, so let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comments down in the comment box below, because I absolutely love reading and chatting with every single one of you, and because without you, I wouldn't really be here. As for the Appeal Liquid Lash Liner, something, no complaints, because they worked with these false lashes that it came with. They're kind of just, they're pretty much on there. I don't think they're gonna go anywhere for a few hours, so let's just kind of, you know, move on with our day. We have to actually get this edited and up, because it's got to go up today. Overall, for my value, I think it was a great box. I absolutely love this box. This was by far one of my better boxes that I have unboxed on this channel. My very first one was a train wreck, and that was all Rihanna's stuff, which is kind of sad. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, because it does help my channel out so much, you have no idea. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you want to binge watch some content or hang out a little bit longer, get to know me a little bit, we do some vlogs, you know, you can just hang out there, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. And again, thank you so much to Sweezy for partnering with me on today's video. And if you guys are interested in any other products, go ahead and just check them out. I love you guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!